Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn off your notification on tagged application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, press and hold your tagged application. Tap on info icon. Onto this privacy section, you can see notifications on the first row. Tap on notifications. Tap the switch icon to turn off all your notifications. So that is how you can easily block the notification on tagged application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and comment below your feedback and questions. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.